Okay, now let's work on the product page. So I want to make it scrollable vertical. So I select the frame, go to prototype and say vertical scrolling. And as the same as the product list page, I would say make this nav bar a fixed position like so. Let's test that out by playing it. You could see that I could scroll and also the nav bar is fixed. The next thing I want to do is make this gallery horizontal scrollable. So I could apply it to the frame here, which is a group of the gallery, and make it into horizontal scrolling. But if I try to do that, it's not possible. So what's the problem here? If you look at this frame, it is very long, right? What you need to do is reduce the size of it that it would scroll within this frame. So if I reduce the frame of the outside, you could see that I could now scroll horizontal. Now let's link up some of the features here. So I have a favorite, I have an add to cart. What I want to do is add the cart, and then it would give me an overlay saying, okay, your plant was added, and I could go to the next stage, which is the cart view. So first I want to select the button like so, and then go to prototype, link it to add to cart. So from here, you won't do navigate to, but I would say open overlay. It will be centered. I would say close when clicking outside, add a little background so you notice the overlay showing up. And then maybe I put a dissolve to make it a bit more smooth. And I would say this button, continue shopping, you could go back to the frame that you were on. So it would say navigate to. So let's try this out. From here, I'm going to play, add to cart. Now it gives me the prompt. If I say continue shopping, it goes back. So the next thing I want to do is go to the cart. So I have this checkout part here. I'm gonna select the button and link this to the cart. I'll say on tap navigates to the cart. I would do an instant change of it. So let's check how it's done here. So I could say add to cart. It asks me, okay, do you want to continue shopping or view your cart? If I say view your cart, now you're at the checkout page.